Hello and welcome to part 4 of our One Thing Spotlight series. Each part covers 4 products based on their benefits, and if you have textured or bumpy skin, need barrier care, or just want that healthy glow, then this video is for you. We'll look at what these products do, when and how to use them, and what you can pair it with. Now check the description box below for all the timestamps, product information, and links to the rest of this series. Now first up, we have what is also known as the Adelaide extract. This product is rich in nutrients such as amino acids, calcium, iron, and vitamin B. These nutrients nourish your skin and help remove dead skin and impurities. This low pH extract also helps balance your skin and reduce texture. Because it is so gentle, it is also perfect for anyone with sensitive skin or if you don't want to use a chemical exfoliant. The extract clarifies your skin and helps reduce pigmentation. It also helps moisturize and calm your skin as well as control acne breakouts and excess sebum production. Because it is so gentle, you can also pair it with other concentrated actives or exfoliants to really enhance the effects on your skin. In application, it leaves your skin feeling super soft and supple as well. Next, we have Camellia Sinensis, also known as green tea leaf extract, which is rich in antioxidants that help protect and repair the skin. It also helps improve your skin barrier. It has a high vitamin C content, nearly 5 to 8 times more than lemons, which helps fade hyperpigmentation, dark spots, and brightens your skin over time. Green tea extract also contains tannins and catechins, which reduce signs of premature aging caused by free radical damage. Now, these catechins are quite potent and provide far more antioxidant properties than even vitamin C might. Catechins and tannins also help refine rough or bumpy skin texture, leaving your skin feeling really soft and smooth. Then we have Bifida Ferment Lysate, which is a probiotic ingredient rich in proteins, lactose, lactic acid, and vitamins to rejuvenate your skin. It helps address various skin concerns and also strengthens a damaged skin barrier. Now, the ferment nourishes dull skin and adds a boost of hydration, so if you have dehydrated skin, this is perfect for you. It also helps remove dead skin buildup and leaves your skin looking brighter. A mildly acidic ingredient, it also helps maintain your skin's natural pH levels. As a really gentle ingredient, it can be used daily and in the day or night, especially if you're looking for a hydrating product without using too many layers. You can pair it with other barrier repairing ingredients like ceramides or skin soothing ingredients like snail mucin, and it will help add moisture and repair your skin barrier along with the rest of your routine. Finally, we have Galactomyces, which is rich in yeast peptides, amino acids, proteins, and vitamin B. This helps strengthen your skin barrier and also improve its resilience to external factors that might irritate it. The yeast peptides and vitamin B also enhance your skin's appearance, giving it that nice dewy and radiant glow. The Ferment Filtrate also hydrates your skin and helps remove dead skin cells with its amino acids and other organic acids. If you have dull skin or skin in need of nourishment, then this ferment is perfect for you. Now, you can use the product as is and apply it directly on your skin or mix it with other extracts or other products in your routine for that added glow. That's all. We hope you enjoyed this video and see you next time.